Good afternoon, my dear students. Let me discuss the new chapter, that is set theory. Totally new chapter, so this is the first class today. Set theory. Okay. Let A is a set of natural numbers. We are telling A is a so suppose let A equal to set of natural numbers. Therefore, A will be how much? Set of natural numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, dot dot. This is called set. Okay. Suppose B is a set of 4 numbers. 4 numbers. Okay. 4 numbers means starting from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. And C suppose is a set of integers. Integers means it will start like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 dot dot this side, and this side will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 dot dot like this. That means integers means positive integers, negative integers including 0. In this way, these are the basic presentation of set. Let me discuss the union of two set. Union of two set. Union means what? Let us take one example here. Let A is a set having element 1, 3, 5, 7. And B is a set having element 2, 4, 6, 8. These two sets are given. Therefore, A union denoted by like this. A union B. A union B means all the elements present in between the set A and B. This is called A union. Means all elements present between A and B. So what I write here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the basic concept of union of two sets. Means all elements present A and B. Next is intersection of two sets. Intersection of two sets. Intersection is common element present in between two sets. Suppose A is a set having element 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And B is a set having given 2, 4, 6, 10. Suppose given. Now tell what are the elements which is the common in between the set A and B. A intersection B. A intersection B means the common element present between the set A and B. Now tell me what are the elements common. 4 is a common, 6 common, only 4 and 6. That means 4, 6 is the answer. That means this is a set intersection. This is a set having common element in between two sets. This is the basic concept of set theory. Okay, let me discuss one more. Next is empty set. Empty set means it is a set having no element, like it is denoted by phi. Empty set means it is a set having no element. You have to write like this. It is a set having no element. Next is complement of set. Complement of a set. What do you mean by complement? Suppose in this case you have to write one universal set, that is Xi. Universal set means it is set having all natural numbers, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dot dot. All natural numbers. This is called universal set. This one is universal set. And A is a set having element all even numbers, like 2, 4, 6, 8, that are all even numbers. Set of even numbers. This one is set of even numbers. Therefore, A complement means A dash. A complement will be universal set minus set A. Now from the universal set, all the elements you have to deduct from universal set what are the present in A. What is the element present in set A that you have to deduct from universal set? If I deduct from the universal set all the even numbers, what will left? That will be odd numbers left. That is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, all the odd numbers. Means it is a set of odd natural numbers. Odd natural numbers. Okay. This is the basic concept of complementary of set. I have to practice in the home how to find out union, intersection. Let's just try to discuss the Venn diagram. Venn diagram means suppose it is a set. A is a set and B is a set. A is a set, B is a set, and this one is universal set. Now this is the common portion. This portion is called common portion. Now this is called A intersection B. And if I take all, means including this one, this is called if I take total, this will be A union B. Okay, all elements between the set A and B. And this is the common part, A intersection B. And this part is called A minus B. This part is called A minus B. And this part is called B minus A. These are the basic concept of union, intersection, A minus B, B minus A. Slide I am giving today this idea. Just practice in the home. From Monday next day, I will discuss more detail elaborately about the chapter set theory. Okay. Thank you for today's class.